In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play music and sound in Discord. If this video does help you out, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel, as I'd really appreciate it. Let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you want to do is load up the Discord app, and we want to come over to add a server. Then select create my own, and we're going to create a server that's dedicated to our music bot. Name the server whatever you want. For my server, I have just named it music server, and now we're all set up and ready to go. So just come into our server and then click on the server name at the top here and select app directory. Inside of here, you want to search for Greenbot and hit enter. This is a popular bot on Discord that allows you to play music amongst many other features, and you just want to double click on the green bot here. Then select add app and select the server that you want it to add to. Mine's already selected, and then we can press continue. Make sure all of these are checked and come down to authorize. You might need to do this verification thing, and now success, the bot has been added to the music server. Then we can just close off of this and come back to our server, and as you can see here, now it's been added. And what we want to do is come into the voice channel, and in this text box down here, we want to type in the command /play space followed by the song name. So for example, if we wanted to play Halo by Beyonce, I can type in Halo Beyonce and hit enter. And if you wanted to add more songs into the queue, just continue to use the play command. Like I said, super simple, and I hope that video helped.